Okay. Good morning, everyone. So, a Sunday morning, huh? Morning, mera class. Okay, most of the people would love to sleep in a Sunday morning, but morning, Shreyas अपना class लेकर आ जाता है, right? So, anyways, we have our exams coming up, so it's fine. Okay, it's fine. You guys can, devote some half an hour, 45 minutes a day for Vizag Steel exams which are coming on 22nd. Okay, so I welcome you all to the new YouTube session. Okay, Numerical Ability Part 3. So till now we had done two classes. Okay, till now we did two classes. So now we'll be moving on with the rest number of classes, right? Rest number of classes will be moving on. Hello, Namaste Vishnu. Okay, Anu Shinde, which book we have to follow to get mastery in aptitude? You can go for quantitative aptitude by R.S. Agarwal. Okay, so you can go here. Quantitative Aptitude by R.S. Agarwal. Okay. Okay. If you are talking about the GATE aptitude or the CAT aptitude, you guys can go for this book, Quantitative Aptitude by R.S. Agarwal. Right. So, chalo, we will start with our class, Numerical Ability Part 3. So, another 10 questions for today, half an hour session. Right, I have brought some trickier questions which have easier answers. Right, just by seeing the questions you can get the answer. So let's start with it without any delay. Right, so this is our first question. Divided 124 into 4 parts which are in AP such that the product of the first and the fourth part is 128 less than the products of the second and the third part. So which are the four numbers? When 124 is divided into 4 parts which are in AP, the product of the first and the second part should be less than 128, okay, than the products of the second and the third part. Okay, the product of the first and the fourth part is 128 less than the products of the second and third part. So what are the four numbers? You guys have to tell me. I know this is a bit tough question, so try solving it. 124 is divided into 4 parts and the product of the, that is 1 into 4 is 128 less than 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 3 मतलब 1 into 4 का जो आंसर मिलेगा वो 2 into 3 का आंसर से 128 में कम होगा, right? So the 1 into 4 answer may be maybe 128 or something, 512. So 512 plus 128 will be this way. Okay, so find it out in AP, right? In arithmetic progression they have already specified in the question which type of thing you have to use, right? 124 they have given it is in AP, right? First and second is 128 less than second and third. Okay, तो इधर से ही आप लोगों को मिल जाएगा. Solve this question. There's a P by Q, guys. Okay, so try solving this. I know it is a bit tough. Okay, but AP questions they ask this, right? Okay, guys, I'll give another 30 seconds time. Okay, chalo, we'll move on with the answer. The four numbers are option B, right? 19, 27, 35 and 43, right? 19, 27, 35 and 43. These are the four numbers. Option B. I know this was a trickier question. Okay, let's see how can we solve this. Okay, let the four parts be a minus 3d, right? They have given us what? It is in AP, right? AP का हमेशा formula क्या होता है? A plus D, right? The first part plus the difference, the common difference. So let the four parts be a minus 3d and a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, a minus 3d into a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. The four numbers, right? Four numbers. Now, what they have given? What they have given? 124, right? When these all four parts are there, 124 you will give the answer, right? So a plus a minus 3d. So it is AP. So addition आता है, right? A minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d is equal to 124. 3d, 3D, D, D. They get cancelled, right? Minus 3D plus 3D gets cancelled. Minus D plus D gets cancelled. You'll get the value of A equals 31, right? You'll get the value of A equals 31. Now substitute the same. What they have told? What they have told? The first into fourth is 128 less than second into third, right? So formulate that A minus 3D. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? First and fourth, A minus 3D into A plus 3D, right? A minus 3D into A plus 3D is equal to A minus D into A plus D minus 128, right? Less than 128. So A minus 3D into A plus 3D, A minus D into A plus D minus 128. A का value हमें पता है, right? We know the value of A. Okay, so calculate this, right? Formulate the whole equation. You will get A square minus 9D square is equal to A square minus D square minus 128. A is equal to 31. Substitute that. You will get 8D square equals 128, right? 8D square equals 128. D is equal to 4, right? D is equal to 4. So A का value कितना है? 31. D का value है 4. So here are your 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So substitute them accordingly. You will get 19, 27, 35 and 43. These are the 4 numbers. They have given it in AP. So A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. 4 numbers हो गए, right? So formulate it. You will get of A's value. Now go by the given condition, right? The product of first and 4 numbers is 128 less than the product of second and third. वो कंडीशन से करोगे D और A मिल जाएगा. Substitute A and D accordingly. You'll get the 4 numbers, right? Got it? Late हो गया, right? Anyways, you got the answer, right? तो चलो, everyone clear with this? This is a PYQ. Though the question looks tricky, the answer is quite simple, है ना? Answer is quite simple. Question is very trickier. It is tough for you guys to know how shall we start the question, but the explanation is very easy, है ना? चलो, let's move on to the next one. Question 2. In what proportion must T at rupees 62 per kg be mixed with T at rupees 72 per kg in order to obtain the mixture worth rupees 65 per kg, right? A T which is 62 per kg, it has to be mixed with a T at 72 per kg and you have to get a mean value of 65 per kg. Okay? Use the alligation rule here, right? Use the alligation rule. So which is the cheaper quantity here? 62 is the cheaper quantity, right? 72 is the dearer quantity, okay? And this is the mean quantity, right? This is the mean quantity. So I had told you guys the alligation rule, right? You guys remember the alligation rule, okay? Go by the alligation rule, you'll get the right answer here. Okay, so what is alligation rule tell us? Okay, cheaper, right, dearer, right, mean, and here it is D minus M and M minus C, right? D minus M and M minus C. Yes, Chahat and Vishnu, you both are right. Okay, what is cheaper quantity? 62, right? What is mean quantity? 65. What is dearer quantity? 72, right? 72 minus 65, 7. 62 minus 65, 3. So what is the answer? 7:3, right? 7:3 will be the answer. So if you go by the alligation rules, so most of you asked me, right? Alligation rule कैसे करते हैं sir? Okay? Cheaper quantity, whichever it is the cheaper quantity. Then next the costlier quantity. Then the mean quantity. Subtract करो दोनों को, you'll get the answer. 7:3, right? Using alligation rule, quantity of cheaper T divided by quantity of dearer T, D minus M divided by M minus C, that is 7/3. So it is 7:3. Clear everyone? Okay, as simple as that. Whenever you encounter such questions, use the alligation rule. That is the basic trick. Okay, you can't substitute by equations and all. ये trick use कर दो, सिर्फ 2 सेकंड में आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा, right? 62, 65, 72. 72 minus this 7, 62 minus 65 3, right? In 2 seconds you'll get the answer. Don't go for the equation method here, x and y. Okay, don't go for it. Chalo, we'll see another question of mixture and alligations only. Fresh fruit contains 72% water and dry fruits contain 20% water. How much dry fruit from 100 kg of fresh fruit can be obtained? Okay, fresh fruit, it contains 72% water. Dry fruit contains 20% water. So how much dry fruit will be there from 100 kg of fresh fruit? Okay, how much dry fruit you can obtain from a 100 kg of fresh fruit? Right, here are your four options. Okay, so this I go by the equation method. Okay, so if you guys can formulate this by the alligation method also, it's fine. Alligation method, say you'll get the ratios, right? You have to find out how much dry fruit will be there. Okay, that you have to find out. Okay, I'll move forward with the answer, right? So it is option D. As per given question, we are concerned with the solid part of the fruit, right? So the pure portion, the solid part of the fruit. So assume q kg of dry fruit is obtained, right? We will assume q kg of dry fruit is obtained. So solid part in fresh fruit is equal to solid part in dry fruit, right? Ratio and proportion. Okay, this equal to this. So solid part in fresh fruit, right? What is the solid part in fresh fruit? So in fresh fruit, 72% water is there, right? So 100 minus 72, you'll get it 28, right? 100 minus 72, you'll get it 28. Dry fruit is 100 minus 20, right? 100 minus 20, which is 80, right? 80. तो ये हो जाएगा 0.28 और ये हो जाएगा 0.8, right? 0.28 and 0.8. Now find it, right? What they have asked, 100 kg of fresh fruit, right? So 0.28 into 100 is equal to 0.8 into q, right? 0.28 into 100 is equal to 0.8 into q. 100 minus 72, 0.28. 100 minus 20, 0.8. Now 100 kg of fresh fruit is given. So the quantity of fresh fruit we know 100. So the quantity of dry fruit we do not know, that we have to find out. 0.28 into 100 is equal to 0.8 into q, right? So by this you will get the answer of q as 35 kg. Okay, 35 kg of dry fruit can be obtained from 100 kg of fresh fruit, right? It is an easy question, but they do some trickier options, right? Dry fruit, fresh fruit, ऐसे सब options दे देंगे so that you guys will get confused. आपको पता नहीं चलेगा कि कैसे ऐसे questions को solve करें. Okay, so these are easier questions. See it. Okay, just by a line, just by a single line, I'm giving you guys the answer. Okay, but you guys were not able to solve this. Why? Because you did not understand the question, right? Because they had kept the question in such a trickier manner. Yeah, so you have to go with the solid part. Fresh fruit, dry fruit, right? Quantity 100 दिया है, so 100 minus 72, 0.28, right? 0.28 into 100, 0.8 into q. So q equals 35 kg. Why will you take by water content, right? Fresh fruit में और dry fruit में water content को क्यों लोगे आप? Why will you take water content, Vishnu? Okay, we are considered with the solid part of the fruit, right? So solid part, liquid part मतलब water होगा. I am concerned with only the solid part of the fruit. Okay, I'm not concerned with the water part of the fruit. I'm concerned with the solid part of the fruit. Solid part में fresh कितना है, dry कितना है, वो मुझे पता करना है ना? So I'm not going by the water content. Yeah, that is where you people will do the mistakes, right? This is the common aspirant errors. Okay, go always by the solid part of the fruit, right? Go always by the solid part of the fruit. Watermelon को ले लो, yes, it is a water fruit, but आपको ज़्यादा solid part में मिलेगा ना? So always go by the solid part of the fruit, the pure portion. Okay, if you go by it, one line का answer है. We get confused while solving the questions. That is the reason we cannot do it properly, right? Hello. Good morning, Debashish. Good morning, Sunkara. Right? Shall we move on to the next question? Any doubts in this? Vishnu, any doubts in this? Understood? Chalo. Right? Yes. The sum of the three numbers is 68. Okay. The sum of three numbers is 68. If the ratio between the first and the second is 2:3, and the second and the third is 5:3, what is the second number? The sum of three numbers is 68. The ratio between first and second is 2 is to 3, and that between second and third is 5 is to 3. What is the second number? You guys have to tell me what is the second number. Here are your 4 options. Solve this, right? Vishnu, we have solved similar this, right? In the plus classes and all, we have solved similar questions. So tell me the answer. Okay, Chahat has given the answer as 30, right? Yes, Chahat, I read your comment. Okay, 30 you have given the answer. Option A. Let's wait for others. Others, Vishnu, Devashish. देखो Vizag Steel में you will have less time. Okay, there will be, it is not like CIL. So 200 questions will be there, and the time limit is 2.5 hours. So you have to be more faster. Yeah, you have to be more faster considered to CIL, right? Yes, it is option A. Let the 3 numbers be A, B, C, right? A by B is given as 2 by 3, right? What they have given? The first and the second. So A bar B is 2 by 3. Second and the third, B bar C is 5 by 3, right? This they have already given it, okay? So solve it. A bar B is 2 into 5 divided by 3 into 5, right? 2 by 3 hai, right? 2 by 3 matlab total quantity, how much it will be? Total quantity is 5, right? Total quantity is 5. So 2 into 5, 10. 3 into 5, 15. A by B will become 10 by 15, right? B by C is 5 by 3. Total quantity is 8, right? 5 plus 3, 8. So 5 plus 3, 5 into 3, 3 into 3. 15 by 9, right? 15 by 9. I am actually taking it like this, okay? A bar B, B bar C is given. I want A bar B bar C. Okay, I want A bar B bar C. That is the reason I am taking like this, okay? A bar B into 5, okay? B bar C into 3. A bar B into 5, B bar C into 3. The equations, okay? Simultaneous solving of equations. 10 by 15, 5 into 3, 15, 3 into 3, 9. 10 is to 15 is to 9, okay? So now let the numbers be 10y, 15y and 9y, right? A, B, C. So I don't know what is y, I have to find out. So what they have given? The 3 numbers, their sum is 68, right? Sum is 68 ka matlab, their addition is 68, right? Their addition. 10y plus 15y plus 9y is equal to 68. So it will be 34y equals 68. Y is equal to 2, right? Y is equal to 2. What they have asked in the question, you have to give the second number, right? Second number. What is the second number? So this is the first number, second number, third number. Second number is 15y. So 15 into 2, 30, right? 30 is the answer. So I will tell this again. This they have given as 5 by 3. Okay, 5 by 3 is B bar C. Okay, and A bar B is 2 by 3. So this is basically 2 is to 3 is to 5 is to 3 hoga. So 2 into 3 into 5, right? 2 by 3 into 5 and 5 by 3 into 3. 2 by 3 into 5 and 5 by 3 into 3. So you calculate the whole equation. 10 is to 15 is to 9, right? Then you'll get the answer for y. From there, get the answer for the second number. Clear everyone? Shall I move on to the next question now? Vishnu, Debashish, clear with this? Yeah, I've given the right answer itself. Okay, these questions are easy for you, right? You guys can formulate these questions within 40 seconds. Huh? Chalo, we'll move on to the next one now, right? If 3 power x plus y is equal to 81 and 81 power x minus y is equal to 3, what is the value of x, right? 3 power x plus y is equal to 81. 81 power x minus y is equal to 3. What is the value of x? So this is a PYQ. I hope most of you have already solved this question. Okay, this is a PYQ. So tell me the answer, right? What is the value of x? Practice more. Okay, Sunkara, practice more. So if you see YouTube, I've done lots of classes on aptitude in the channel itself, Unacademy Live Gate. So lots of are there. So you'll find around 200 to 300 questions by me in the YouTube classes. So see all the questions, okay, and practice it fastly, right? Yes, Chahat, it is 17 by 8, okay. So it is option B. So 3 power x plus y equals 81, right? 3 power x plus y equals 81. So what is 81? What is 81? It is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, right? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 power x plus y is equal to 3 power 4. By the law of exponents, 3 gets cancelled. You will get the first equation, which is x plus y equals 4. Okay. What is the second one they have given? What is the second one given? 81 power x minus y equals 3, right? 81 power x minus y equals 3. So what is 81? 3 power 4 again. So I shall name it as 3 power 4 into x minus y equals 3, right? So it will become 1. 1 will become, so it is 4 into x minus y is equal to 1. So x minus y is equal to 1 by 4, right? X minus y is equal to 1 by 4. So this is my first equation. My second equation, 4 into x minus y, 1 by 4. So solve these both equations, right? Solve these both equations. Plus y minus y cancel kar do. So 2x is equal to 7 by 4, right? 2x is equal to 17 by 4. So x is equal to 17 by 8, right? 2x is equal to 17 by 4. So x is equal to 17 by 8. Clear, people? Understood? 4 plus 1 by 4. Okay. So this will be 4 plus 1 by 4. 4 4s are 16, right? 4 into 4 16. 16 plus 1 by 4, which will be 17 by 4. Okay. Understood, everyone? Don't get confused here. I'll do the equation again. Right? So here y cancels. 2x is equal to 4 plus 1 by 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1. 17 by 4. So x is equal to 17 by 8. Hello, Tarani. Right? Everyone clear with this? Right? Clear with this? You guys can do such questions when it comes for the exam, right? Chalo, let's move on to the next one. Question 6. A student was awarded certain marks in an examination. However, after revaluation, his marks were reduced by 40% of the marks that were originally awarded to him, so that the new score now became 96. How much marks or how many marks did the student lose after revaluation? Right? Awarded. Okay, a student was awarded certain marks. ठीक है, revaluation के बाद उसका marks जो है 40% कम हो गया, right? 40% कम हो गया और उसका नया score है 96. Okay, his new score is 96. So how much marks did he reduce or how much marks did he lose after the revaluation process, right? ये हमेशा हमारे साथ होता है, right? So tell me the answers. So this happens always with all us, right? हम सोचते हैं revaluation में ज़्यादा marks मिलेगा तो हम रिवैल्यूएशन डाल देते हैं और रिवैल्यूएशन में हमारा मार्क्स कम हो जाता है. सो नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट एक्सपीरियंस. चलो, हाँ, गुड, यस, गुड पीपल, राइट, ऑप्शन डी. ओके, लेट द स्टूडेंट वाज अवॉर्डेड इन एग्जाम n मार्क्स. ओके, आफ्टर रिवैल्यूएशन क्या हुआ? व्हाट डज रिवैल्यूएशन मीन? 40 by 100, 40% he lost it, right? So it is n minus n into 40 by 100 is equal to 96, right? N minus n into 40 by 100 is equal to 96. Equation bana do, you'll get the answer, right? N is the amount of marks he got at the starting. So this is the amount of marks he lost, right? This is the amount of marks. This is the amount of marks he lost in the revaluation process, and his final marks was 96. So n minus n into 40 by 100 equals 96. So this becomes n minus 2n by 5 equals 96. Okay, so 5n minus 2n by 5. So I am multiplying both of this. So n will be 160, right? N will be 160. So the student was awarded 60 marks, right? 160 marks at the starting. After revaluation, it became 96. So what is the marks he lost? How much marks he lost? He lost 64 marks, right? N minus final n. The initial n minus final n, which is 64. Option D. Yes, the normal student experience. Clear, everyone? Okay, chalo. Let's go on to some train questions. Okay, problems on trains. Two trains of equal length are running on parallel lines in the same direction at 46 km per hour and 36 km per hour respectively. The faster train passes the slower train in 36 seconds. The length of each train is dash. The length of each train is dash. There are two trains, they are of equal length, right? They are running on parallel lines in the same direction at 46 and 36 km per hour. The faster train passes the slower train in 36 seconds. What is the length of each train? So a bit confusion question. So understand it once more, right? The length of each train. The length of each train, two trains of equal length, right? So see the question properly. You guys will get confused here. Easy one, guys. So Chahat has given the answer as 50 meter. Yes. So let the length of each train be L meter. Both of them are equal length, right? So first train is equal to L and second is also is equal to L. So both of are equal length. दोनों का length same है. So relative speed क्या होगा, right? What they have told, one train is 46, another train is 36. So what is relative speed? Okay, they are running on parallel lines in the same direction. Running on parallel lines in the same direction. So what I have told, relative speed when it is in the same direction, it is subtraction. Relative speed when it is in the opposite direction, it is addition, right? Same direction में subtraction होगा, opposite direction में addition होगा. तो ये same direction में, so it is 46 minus 36, right? 10. 10 kilometer per hour will be the relative speed. So convert it into meter per second, right? Convert it into meter per second. So 10 into 5 by 18, right? Meter per second, kilometer per hour पे है, meter per second. So 1000 divided by 60 into 60, right? 5 by 18. 10 into 5 by 18, 25 by 9 meter per second. This becomes my relative speed. Both of them are having the same length, right? So sum of length of the train divided by relative speed of train is equal to time taken, right? Sum of length of the train, right? Sum of length क्या होगा? Both of them are of same lengths, right? Both of them are of same length. So L plus L, which will become 2L. So 2L divided by what is the speed? 25 divided by 9 is equal to time taken, right? What is the time taken? Slower in 36 seconds. So faster train passes slower 36 seconds. So that will be the time taken, right? It is equal to 36, right? It is equal to 36. So 2L is equal to 36 into 25 divided by 9, right? 36 into 25 divided by 9. 2L equals 36 into 25 divided by 9, which is 100. So L is equal to 100 by 2, 50, right? Simple one. Again a simple one. So if our concepts are clear, okay, if our basics are clear or the concepts are clear, it will be easier for us to solve the questions, है ना? It will be easier for us to solve the questions. देखो इधर relative speed ले लिया मैंने. The sum of the two trains will be L plus L. So it is, the time taken is 36. So 2L divided by 25 by 9 equals 36, right? 50 meter. Clear everyone? Vishnu, Debashish, Tarani. Shall I move on to the next one? Right? Yes. 3 more questions. We will finish it off. Right? Question 8. The area of circle inscribed in an equilateral triangle is 462 centimeters. Right? The area of circle inscribed in an equilateral triangle is 462 centimeter. What is the perimeter of this triangle? The area of circle inscribed in an equilateral triangle is 462 centimeter. Okay. The perimeter of triangle is what? What is the perimeter of the triangle? So you guys have to tell me the perimeter of the triangle. A bit tough questions. Again a PYQ. Solve this. Different length trains, then they will substitute the different length, right? Different length trains I will bring up tomorrow, okay? Don't worry, Tarani. Okay? Different length trains, matlab different length they will substitute. They will tell the length of the first train is twice that of the second train, right? So L plus 2L. They will give the statement like this. The length of the second train is twice that of the first train. The first train is 5 by 3 times the second train, right? They will give it. So, पिछला question में they gave a statement. 2 trains of equal length. So that was a statement. L equals L. If they give the both of the trains are different, right? The length are different. They will tell the length of the first train is 5 by 3 times the second. So it will be L plus 5 by 3L. right? So that way you can find out the sum. Okay. Relative speed, when it is in the same direction, subtraction. When it is in the opposite direction, it is addition. Anyone with the answer for this? Right? Anyone with the answer for this? Chalo Chahat. Good. He has a solved. Chahat has solved. Has anyone else solved? It is option B, 126 centimeter, right? So first what they have given, right? First what they have given, the area of a circle. Area of a circle is given by what? Pi r square, right? Area of a circle is pi r square. So pi r square equals 462, right? Area of a circle दिया है, total area भी दिया है. So first one will be pi r square equals 462. So find out r from it, right? Find out r from it. So it will be 7 root 3 centimeter, right? 7 root 3 centimeter. So height of the triangle. What is height of the triangle? Height of the triangle is 3r, right? It is subscribed. It is inscribed inside the triangle. So height of the triangle will be 3 into r. 3 into radius. 3 triangle. So 3 into radius. So 7 root 3 into 3. It will be 21 root 3 centimeter. Okay. Now we have a square is equal to a square divided by 4 plus 3r square, right? A square is equal to a square by 4 plus 3r square. We know the value of r. Okay, formulate this equation. So this will be 3a square by 4 is equal to 21 root 3 square, right? 3r square pata hai, 21 root 3 square. A square is equal to 1323 into 4 divided by 3. A is equal to 42 centimeter. What is the perimeter of a triangle? What is the perimeter of a triangle? It is 3 into sides, right? 3 into A. So 3 into 42, 126 centimeter, right? 126 centimeter. Just by seeing the options only, you guys can tell it off. 126, right? 462, 126. So the perimeter will be equal to the largest number, right? 126. Acha, 168 bhi hai, then don't go by the options, right? 126. A square is equal to a square by 4 plus 3r square. So what they have told, this is the triangle. Okay, here it has been inscribed. Inscribed matlab kya hai? In the triangle, right? In the triangle. So this is how it is there. Okay, this is how it is there. So first find out the radius, then find out the height. Okay, then you have this formula, 3r square, the height. A square by 4. A square by 4 is equal to a square. Substitute r, you will get off a, then 3 into a, 126 centimeters. Clear? Clear everyone? Shall I move on to the next one? Arey, it is the formula, baba. ये formula hai, h equals 3r. Yes, you can expect such questions. Okay, you can expect such questions. क्योंकि CIL also we thought that some of the questions might not come, but numerical ability, ठीक है, बहुत लोगों ने बताया था ना कि numerical ability बहुत tough था. Okay, okay, बहुत tough था numerical ability. That is the reason. Okay, are we? This is the formula, baba. Okay, this is formula. Height of the triangle is 3r. 3 into radius. Okay, when a triangle is inscribed in a circle, right? When a triangle is inscribed in a circle, that is 3r. Yes, you guys can go by that method also. A by 2 root 3. वो आप ऐसे मेथड में भी जा सकते हो. I gave this method. Okay, for me, which method was easy? I thought that will be easy for you guys also. There are different methods of solving a question. You can go by this method also, right? This method, it was easy for me to formulate in terms of root, right? So मैंने root में formulate कर दिया. You can go by the equation which चाहता told you also. R equals a by 2 root 3. आप उधर से भी a का value find out कर सकते हो. You know the value of R, right? A by 2 root 3. So from there you can find out the value of a also, right? So these are all formulas when the triangle is inscribed in a circle, right? Question 9. Okay, compound interest question. A amount is invested in a bank at compound rate of interest. The total amount including interest after the first and third year is 1200 and 1587 respectively, right? 1200 and 1587 respectively. What is the rate of interest, right? You have to find out the rate of interest. Compound rate of interest है, तो compound interest होगा total amount after the first year and third year is 1200, 1587. What is the rate of interest? Okay, Mohit has already solved this question. He has given the option 3. Chalo, anyone else? Chalo, the time is running up. Okay, it is 15%, Mohit. Okay, it is option D. Let the amount be rupees P and rate of interest be R%. Right? According to the question, okay, the first year amount is 1200. The second year amount is 1587. Right? The total amount. First year is 1200. Second year is 1587. Okay. What is the formula for compound interest? Right? P into 1 plus R by 100 power n, right? P into 1 plus R by 100 power n. This is the formula, right? Compound interest ka. So by that take it, P into 1 plus R by 100 power n. This is the first year, so n will be 1, right? This is the first year, so n will be 1. So this becomes P into 1 plus R by 100 power n. So n equals 1. So this will be 1200. My first equation. Similarly, find out for third. Here n will be 3, right? P into 1 plus R by 100 power n. N will be 3 here. So P into 1 plus R by 100 power 3 equals 1587. Right? Divide both the equations. Divide both the equations. P or P cancel ho jayega. Right? 1 plus R by 100. 1 plus R by 100 power cube. Right? Power 3. This will give us 1 plus R by 100 square. Which is 1587 by 1200. Which is nothing but 529 by 400. Right? 529 by 400. So square root. Right? 1 plus R by 100 is equal to square root of 529 by 400, right? 20 into 20 is 400, 23 into 23 is 529. So 1 plus R by 100 equals 23 by 20, right? So R by 100 equals 23 by 20 minus 1. So plus 1 है, minus 1 हो जाएगा, minus 1. Calculation mistake, okay. R by 100 equals 3 by 20, okay. So R is equal to, so R by 100 is equal to 3 by 20. Right, R by 100 equals 3 by 20. Cross multiply, you'll get the value of R as 15%. Right? Yes, Chahat, you are correct. Okay, calculation mistake. Don't do such calculation mistakes in exams, okay? Calculation mistake की वजह से ही we guys will lose the marks, right? So don't do such calculation mistakes. Easier questions है ये सब, right? तो question देखने में बहुत tough लगता है, right? It looks very tough when you see the question, but when you solve it, it is crystal clear. It is very easy, right? It is very easy while solving it, right? First year, second year, divide both of them, you'll get off the R, which is 15%. Clear, everyone? Shall we move on to the last question? Shall we move to the last question? Vishnu, Devashish, Chahat, Prajwal, Satish, Pankaj. Okay, I was telling his name and he commented off. Chalo, right? The last question. If 14 cube is added to the square of a number, the answer obtained is 4425, right? If 14 cube is added to the square of a number, the answer obtained is 4425. What is the number, right? What is the number? Another p by q, right? So tell me, sorry, right? Tell me the answer. If 14 cube is added to the square of a number, the answer will be 4425. So what is the number, right? Either ही दे दिया है. In the first statement only you will get the answer, right? The first statement only you will get the equation here, right? What will be the answer? Right, from the options you guys can easily go for the elimination method, right? Option A cannot be the answer, option D cannot be the answer, क्योंकि इन दोनों का स्क्वायर किया तो इससे ज्यादा हो जाएगा, right? If you take out the square of both this, the answer will be more than 4425, right? So it has to be between 43 and 41. These two cannot be the answers, so cut it off. 43 and 41. Let's find out the answer. Yes, it is option C. According to the question, what they have given, 14 cube is equal to plus Okay, the number I do not know, I will take it as x. X square equals 4425. So x square will be 4425 minus 14 cube, right? 14 cube kitna hai? What is 14 cube? It is 2744. So x square is equal to 4425 minus 2744, which is 1681, right? It is 1681. So x is equal to square root of 1681, right? X is equal to square root of 1681, which is 41. 41 into 41 is 1681, right? 41 into 41 is 1681. Why I have given this question? Yes, the unit digit logic worked out here. Okay. Yes, it is simple, but without calculator it is tough, right? Without calculator, you guys won't be getting the calculator in your exams, right? RINL exam, CL. So that is why I have told, right? See the options. Options देखो, A or D नहीं होगा, right? Formulate one, you will get this as 1681. So do this. 43 into 43, क्या आंसर मिलेगा, right? 41 into 41, क्या आंसर मिलेगा, right? So 41 into 41 is 1681. So option C, right? You understood now? You understood now? Without calculator, it will be tough. But how to find out the answer without calculator? So root 1681 तो मिल जाएगा सबको, right? Now find out with the options. Which option matches? That will be the right one, right? Clear everyone? Chalo, right? That is it. Okay. If you guys are interested with the GATE and ESC subscription, you can go for the A4 set methods. Okay, 5,000 per month. Here you guys will be getting a 10% off using my referral code. Here for these four, you guys will be getting 20% off, right? How will you get 20% off? 10% through my referral code and 10% if you have more than 1000 credits, right? If you have more than 1000 credits, you guys will be getting 20% off. 10% through my referral code and 10% through your Unacademy credits. Okay, so if you guys have any doubts related to these, please, okay, S is small, Shreyas Aravind, right? Shreyas underscore Aravind at yahoo.in. Please do drop me a mail here if you have doubts on anything, right? Unacademy subscription हो सकता है, general aptitude हो सकता है, okay, about exam preparation, exam strategy, you guys can mail me there. I will definitely reply you, okay? Thank you guys. See you in the next session. So the next session is again tomorrow, right? Which is the Monday, okay, 10 a.m. okay, which will be our last session on numerical ability part 4. After numerical ability, I will go on to reasoning. Okay, reasoning के बाद general English. So still 9 more sessions are there. Tomorrow will be the 4th session. After that, we will have 8 more sessions. So tomorrow, Monday, 10 a.m., you guys will have your next session in YouTube, right? So thank you guys. See you all in the next session. If you have any doubts, please do ask me. I will wait for a minute. Then I will end the class. Thank you, Devrashish. Thank you, Sunkara. Okay, computer science people are not computer science people do not have a criteria in Vizag Steel exams. It is only for civil, chemical, mechanical people, right? Mechanical, electrical, and all. They have a quota, means they can write the Vizag Steel exams. Computer science people के लिए Vizag Steel exam नहीं है. Yes, computer science engineering. So that is what. CSE people, आप लोगों के लिए CIL था, ठीक है? Vizag Steel exams नहीं है, but you have BRC exams and all. BRC exams and all are there for CSE people. Maths. Okay, you guys want me to bring up a YouTube session on maths, right? I think Shrenik sir is already taking YouTube sessions on maths. Okay, so you can see his YouTube sessions. Shrenik Jain sir. तो अपना चैनल में ही अनअकैडमी लाइव गेट श्रेनिक जैन सर ही इज टेकिंग फॉर मैथ्स. ओके, for engineering mathematics, he is taking the classes. I take classes for general aptitude, right? Okay. Thank you, Neha. Right. So I think that's it. I think no one else has doubts. Okay. So I will see you all tomorrow again. Okay. On 10 a.m. on the same channel. Numerical Ability Part 4. Okay. Have a good day, everyone.